should be doing all this shit yourself. I feel like we're going to war.
You nervous, bro?
Tampoco tiene necesidad de...
What are you doing? You got the stuff?
What?
You got the stuff?
What stuff?
The stuff.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Come on, man. You got the stuff?
Sir, will you please don't bother me?
Am I bothering you?
Sure, you bothering me. You ask me things that I don't know.
I just asked you if you got the stuff.
I don't know what is the stuff mean.
The stuff, the good stuff.
But with good stuff, I don't know what is that mean. I will ask somebody else. Maybe in the stores.
In this store?
Maybe in the stores. Maybe over there.
This store?
Whatever you want. I don't...
There's the stuff I'm talking about. You got the stuff?
Excuse me?
The stuff.
No.
You all got the stuff?
No, thank you.
He doesn't have the stuff. You got the stuff?
Stuff?
The stuff.
What's that?
Keep an eye on this. I need someone coming out of a fucking store. Can't you just corral a lot of people, shove them in a store? I think those are lasers. They've been following me all day. I thought you were one of them. What do you think they're doing? You waiting for your mom? You sure you don't got the stuff?
Oh, I'm waiting for my mom to come out of the store.
So it's going to be all the way up at the front. Well, not at the front, but I thought it was. You know where the water fountain is?
I'm sorry?
You know where the water fountain is?
Which way is that? Which way is that?
Not like it's a wrong way, you're looking the wrong way. And then you're going to make a right. I mean, I'll make a left. Once you go all the way
I think I got it. What happened? Where am I? You guys all right?
You're okay. You're okay.
What happened?
The door just flung open.
Huh? What happened?
What happens in your life to make you like this? This is just what we do in the middle of filming. Damn!
Good looking boy you got there. How old is he? Heading out.
No, I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing. I have a camera. I don't push. I have a camera. I have a camera.
We got pot.
Everyone get a different angle of Al Dente walking. The board has decided we're gonna extend your contract.
All right, everybody be quiet. Listen to this call. Yo.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing. What's up with you?
At the laundromat. What's up?
Nothing. I didn't hear from you yesterday. I called you a couple of times. I had to fucking cancel work today.
Listen, everything's been set for Sunday for over a month now. Been doing it that way. But, so.
What language are you speaking? Seriously.
Oh, because this phone's so fucked up, it's ridiculous. If you can't hear me, you can't understand me, that's not me. It's this piece of shit.
I can't hear you because you're a fucking bumbling fool. So listen, then tomorrow will work. You're going to answer the phone when I call you later, or?
Yeah, I'll answer the phone. Just don't call me late, because I'll be in bed already.
Shut up, Dick. You tell me you're fucking awake all night. You wake up, you don't sleep.
Yeah, I go to bed very early, and then I wake up. All right, bye.
Bye.
What the fuck?
Set this man up.
Is that Al Dente in the play?
Well, that looks good. Let me taste that.
No.
Come on, one lick.
It's my favorite, but it's right down there.
One lick.
No way.
Come on.
No way.
I think you were close to getting a lick, honestly. I think she liked you.
I think she would have let me lick her. Yes. Your glasses.
Yes, I know. You
know what it is? I Venmo'd the guy for new glasses about 2 months ago. He didn't ship them to me, and I didn't get them. And I had these in the car, and every time I sit here, it's
I'm gonna
like,
make a call for that.
Oh, sorry. You alright?
I'll be fine.
Wait, show me the bag. Grass.
It's just grass. Wait, hold on. Why is it not
You gotta keep doing that to kids. You have to keep doing that to kids.
I can't do that to kids, you think? You got stuff. You got the stuff. You got the stuff? We'll work it out. I got what you're looking for. We can work out a deal. How much you want? No? Oh. Oh.